श्री गुरुभ्यो नमः।
ओम श्री गुरुभ्यो नमः। हरि ओम भद्रं कर्णेभिः शृणुयाम देवाः भद्रं पश्येमाक्षभिर्यजत्राः स्थिरैरङ्गैस्तुष्टुवागुंसस्तनूभिः व्यसेम देवहितं यदायुः स्वस्ति न इन्द्रो वृद्धश्रवाः स्वस्ति न पूषा विश्ववेदाः स्वस्ति नस्ताक्षो अरिष्टनेमिः स्वस्ति न बृहस्पतिर्ददातु ओम शांति शांति शांतिः। ओम
अग्नेनया सुपताराये अस्मान् विश्वानि देव वयुनानि विद्वान् युयोद्यस्मज्जुहुराणमेनो भूयिष्ठान्तेन मुक्तिं विदेम। ओम शांति शांति शांतिः। ओम आ ब्रह्मन् ब्राह्मणो ब्रह्मवर्चसी जायताम् आ राष्ट्रे राजन्यः शूर इषुव्यो व्याधि महारथो जायताम् योग्भिर्धेनुर्मोढा नड्वानाशुः सप्तिः पुरन्दीर्योष जिष्णोरतेष्टाः सभेयुवा अस्य यजमानस्य वीरो जायताम् निकामे निकामेन पर्जन्यो न वर्षतु फलवत्यो न ओषधयः पच्यन्तां योगक्षेमो न कल्पेताम्। ओम शांति शांति शांतिः। हे शिवलिंग
आप्यायन्तु ममाङ्गानि वाक्प्राणचक्षुः स्तोत्रमथो बलमिन्द्रियाणि च सर्वाणि सर्वो ब्रह्मोपनिषदं माहं ब्रह्म निराकुर्याम् मा ब्रह्म निराकरोतु अनिराकरणमस्तु निराकरणं मे अस्तु तदात्मनि निरतेय उपनिषत्सु धर्माः ते मयि सन्तु ओम शांति शांति शांति। ओम पूर्णमद पूर्णमिदं पूर्णात् पूर्णमुदच्यते पूर्णस्य पूर्णमादाय पूर्णमेवावशिष्यते। ओम शांति शांति शांति। हरि ओम नमस्ते।
Very nice. We are just meeting for the Mahanyasam, where we go through so many items or rituals, beginning from Panchakshara Dhyanam, that is Namah Shivaya, then Panchamukha Dhyanam, and Shiva Sankalpaha. Before that, Atma Raksha. Before that, we have got Raudri Karanam, to get ourselves Rudrafied. We become highly powerful, energetic, enabling ourselves that we go through the Aradhana of Paramatma, Rudra, who is all in all. Sarvo Hyeshaha Rudraha Tasmai Rudraya Namo Namaha. So that is what Bodhayana Maharshi has given us a message, that Sarvaha is meaning nothing is accepted from Rudra. Rudra is all in all, and he is everywhere, and everything is in him, and therefore all that. And therefore it is very hard for anybody to perform yajna without the interference of Shiva and Parvati. That's why Uma Maheshwarabhyam Namaha. So Uma and Maheshwara are the primordial parents, the genesis for everything in the world. But Narayana or Vishnu is taken as the source, but these are all the representative delegated forces, but ultimately Narayana is Maheshwara and Maheshwara is Narayana. So Vishnu is, that's why we have got, not to dispute this, we have got in India, Bharat, a great pilgrim center which is called, which goes by the name Rameshwaram. See, Ishvara worships Rama and Rama worships Ishvara. So thereby, na Rama Ishvarayoho bhedaha abhedatvam vidyate. Therefore, we see that Mahanyasam, and later on we have seen that Raudrikaranam, and then Sashtanga Namaskara, and after all that, having heard, having recited the mantras, they are all heat packets, energy packets. So when extraordinary energy is invoked, we have to manage that. To manage that is what we call as Shanti. Sham tishtati, it is Shanti. Sham tishtati, happiness. All that is positive is installed in the mantra, and we have a selection of them because there is a prakriti in which we are all making our vyavahara and vyapara and all that. Man and prakriti, both are together. They are not divided. Therefore, man is prakriti going, and prakriti goes to the man. Man is the most acclimatizing creature among all creatures in the creation. Therefore, we have made already some progress in the mantras. There are hundreds of Shanti mantras. In fact, Shanti mantras, Mangalaharti mantras, Ashirvada mantras, like that, you can categorize the mantra rasi that have been given to us by Rishis. There is a great deal of continuation of the Rishi Sampradaya in our Bharat, in our ancient. And how old is our Veda? You can't say the Veda, how old is it? How old is Vishnu? When is Vishnu born? When is Shiva comes into existence? All these are no good questions. If at all you put a question, there is no answer for that, because Bhishmacharya has told us, who is this Narayana or Vishnu? Sanatanatanatamaha Kapilaha Kapihi Avyayaha. So, Sanatanatanatamaha is ancient to ancient things. Can't date it. Kapila Maharshi and Kapila Acharya. And the gods have got to become rishis and give wisdom and teachings to the people. And then, therefore, all the scriptures, where we got lot of teachings, but from the mouth of Parameswara only. ಅದರಿಂದಲೇ ಪಾಣಿನಿ ಹೇಳ್ತಾನೆ, ನೃತ್ಯಾವಸಾನೆ ನಟರಾಜರಾಜೋ ನಿನಾದ ಢಕ್ಕಾಂ ನವ ಪಂಚವಾರಂ ಅಂತ. See, when he did the Tandava Nritya, which has been characterized and given a sample of description of Tandava Nritya of Lord Shiva, but nonetheless a bhakta than Ravana himself. So Ravana Krita Tandava Stotram. So at the end, conclusion of his cosmic dance, that Rudra has produced 9 and 5 sounds with his Damaru. Navapanchavaram. And there so many kinds of rishis are sitting, are all great gnanis. So the sounds that were produced, 14 of them, gave them lot of message and lot of knowledge, and they developed shastras out of it. That's why Om Namaha Panini Patanjali, Vararoha, Vararuchi, etc. These are all great grammarians, Sabda Shastra Pravartaraha. So they are all the Sabda Shastra Pravartas who have promulgated the last Sabda Shastra. What is Sabda Shastra? The mantra is Sabda Shastra. And the mantra is having multifarious benefits and multitudinal dimensions. ಅದರಿಂದ ಅಂತಹ ಮಂತ್ರಗಳನ್ನ ನಾವು ಓದ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೀವಿ. ಇವತ್ತು ಭೈರಪ್ಪನವರು ಬಂದಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ಸೊ ಇಲ್ಲೇನಾಗಿದೆ, we have completed 4 mantras in Dasa Shantaya. In the 4 mantras, we have noted that we must want from God, most importantly, 2 things. One is Bhadram. Second is Swasti. And Bhadram and Swasti gives rise for immense utility of our life scales and life points. Therefore, And for that kind of thing, we have got a chosen gods. That is, as you see that, Indra, Twashta, Pushan, and Brahaspati. No, they are not only the sole persons to be, but there are other also divine beings whom we have taken into account: Brahma, Agni, Pruthivi, Oshadhihi, Vak, Vakpati, Vishnu. So these are all another addition of gods who are being respected and who are causing us in our inner heart also peace. Peace outside, peace inside, peace all over, is it not? So, Bhuloka, Antarikshaloka, and Swargaloka or Jyuloka. That's why we always say among all Vyahrutis, Bhuhu, Bhuvaha, Suvaha are great. And only these three Vyahrutis would appear in the beginning and independently when we are doing some yagnas. Bhuswaha, Bhuvaswaha, Suvaswaha, Om Bhuvasvaswaha. Look at this every time, whenever we perform Saundarya Lahari Homam or Ganapati Homam or anything, we remember these three Vyahrutis par excellence. What is Vyahruti? We consider as a mystical utterances. And you cannot assess the meanings of these Vyahrutis for certain, but you can only propose. So Bhu is Rigveda, Bhu is Rigveda, Bhuvaha is Samaveda, and Divaha, Jau is the Ajurveda. So like that, and Bhu is Brahma, Bhuvaha is Vishnu, and Swaha is the Maheswara. So like that, we have got the classification of the gods. And moreover, whenever you do Mangalaharati to God, you wave the Mangalaharati 3 times. One for earth, one for Antariksha, and another for the Jyuloka. So like that, we have got that 3. Trigunam, Trigunakaram, Trinetram, Chatrine, Triyayudham, Trijanma Papa Samharam, Ekabilvam Sivarpanam. Is it not? So Ekabilvam Sivarpanam. 1 bilvam, 3 petals are there for that, 3 leaves are there together. Sivarpanam. And that will give you all that today, being we are all in Kartika Masa, going by the memory of Kritika Naksha, the Kartikeya and Lord Rudra and Ammavaru. So all pujas done during the Kartika Masa have got their enhancement of energy, enhancement of the fruits thereof. So with this kind of introduction, let us go to the 4th mantra. Yes. Bhairappanavare ottira. Om Shanno Vata Pavatam.
Om Shanno Vata Pavatam Matarishvasham Nastapatu Suryaha Ahanisham Bhavantu Nasyagum Ratri Pratidhiyatam Shamushana Yucchatu Shamadhitya Udhetunaha Shiva Nashyanta Mabhava Sambradhika Saraswati.
Stop here, please understand. First of all, we want air. Vataha. Even today, most of the doctors have got displayed a board placard in their clinic. What is that? It is an instruction. Prescribe pure air. Because the air outside is lot of contamination. Pollution is there. So air is also an agent for health conditions in us. So pure air, more oxygen, more all that is Vataha, is the wind, the practical power of the Matarisva, the wind gods, Vayudeva. So Vayudevana Pratapa, where you can see at, you see the Vataha. Vata. So therefore, our first prayer is Vataha Pavatam. Okay, let air flow off. But what is that Vata to be? Nahasham. That should cause us happiness and health to us. It should not give rise for any kind of hazard in our physical condition, because when you are healthy, you can do many more things with all enthusiasm and interest and energy. If your health is impaired, ನಿಮ್ಮ ಆರೋಗ್ಯ ಕೆಟ್ಟೋದ್ರೆ ಭೈರಪ್ಪನವರು ಹೇಳಿದ್ರು ಏನು ಮಾಡೋಕ್ಕಾಗಲ್ಲ ಸರ್ ಅಂತ. ಸೊ ಹೀಗೇನಾಯ್ತು, ವಾತಃ ಶಂ ಪವತಾಂ. Pavatam means blow. Let pure air blow always. That's why our morning walk is the best time that you should walk. Before sunrise or around that time, if you do morning walk, there will be plenty of oxygen released by the trees and nature. ಅದಕ್ಕೋಸ್ಕರ ಈ ಗಿಡಗಳು ಎಷ್ಟು ಉಪಕಾರ ಮಾಡುತ್ತಂದ್ರೆ, ತಾವು ಕಾರ್ಬನ್ ಡೈಆಕ್ಸೈಡ್ ತಗೊಂಡು ನಮಗೆಲ್ಲ ಆಕ್ಸಿಜನ್ ಕೊಡುತ್ತೆ. See, oxygen is the most important one for human life and continuation. ಅದರಿಂದ ಯಾವ ಪ್ಯೂರ್ ಏರ್ ಆಗ್ತಾ ಇದೆಯೋ ಅದು ಹೇಗಾಗುತ್ತೆ, ಆರೋಗ್ಯಕರವಾಗಿರಬೇಕು ಅಂತ ನಾವು ಪ್ರಾರ್ಥನೆ ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ. ಅಂಡ್ ಇದಕ್ಕೆಲ್ಲ ಕಾರಣಭೂತನಾಗಿರುವ ಸೋರ್ಸ್ ಯಾರು ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಮಾತರಿಸ್ವಾಹ. ಮಾತರಿಸ್ವಾ is the Marut Devatas. They are 49 in kind. 7 into 7. Sapta Marutaha antare. So, ಈ Maruts are the constant companions of Indra. So, Indra anugrahadinda namge ಒಳ್ಳೆಯ ಏರ್ ಬರುತ್ತೆ. ಮಾತರಿಸ್ವಾ. And ಅದು ಒಂದು ಮಾತರಿಸ್ವಾ ವಾತಃ ಪವತಾಂ ನಹ ಶಂ ಭವತು. After we making prayer for the Vayudeva, Namaste Vayo, Tvameva Pratyaksham Brahmasi, Tvameva Pratyaksham Brahma Vadishyami. So look at it. Avaga Vata, Vayudeva is a Brahma. Namo Brahmane. ಅದಕ್ಕೋಸ್ಕರ ಮಾತರಿಸ್ವಾಹ ಏನಾಗಬೇಕು, ಶಂನಃ ಭವತು. ಅಂಡ್ ಅವನೇನ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು ಅಂದ್ರೆ ವಾತಃ ಪವತಾಂ. ಹಿ ಮಸ್ಟ್ ಮೇಕ್ ಹಿಸ್ ಪವರ್, ದ ವಾತ, ಟು ಬಿ ಬ್ಲೋಯಿಂಗ್ ಪ್ಯೂರ್ so that you are happier. That's why pure air. And there's a request for the Matariswa. ಆಮೇಲೆ ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಕಮ್ಸ್ ಇಂಪಾರ್ಟೆನ್ಸ್ ಈ ಸೂರ್ಯ ಭಗವಾನ್. ಸೂರ್ಯ ತಪತೋ. ಸೂರ್ಯ ಮಸ್ಟ್ ಶೈನ್ ಫೋರ್ತ್. We should have plenty of sunlight. Sarvarogyakaram. So, Surya Prabha is Sarvarogyakaram. And it will destroy all kinds of krimis and all kinds of worms and infectious things, and you become a pure and happy. So when sunlight is bright, you are bright. When sun is not well in the sky, when it's clouded, we have cold and other problems. That's why winter is the season when sun cannot shine. If at all he were to be seen on the horizon, he is not able to give you that much heat which he gives, which he is capable. ಅದರಿಂದ ಬಟ್ ವಾಟ್ ಎವರ್ ಇಟ್ ಈಸ್, ಸೂರ್ಯ ತಪತು. ಹೆಂಗೆ ಅಂದರೆ ಅಗೈನ್ ಶಂ ನಹ ತಪತು. ಸೊ ಲೆಟ್ ದಿ ಸನ್ಶೈನ್ ಬಿ ಅಂಡರ್ ಕಂಟ್ರೋಲ್. ಯು ನೋ, ನೋ ಸನ್ಶೈನ್ ಅಪಾನ್ ದಿ ಅರ್ತ್ ವಿಲ್ ಕ್ರಾಸ್ 55 degrees. ಆ 55, 56 ಅದೆಲ್ಲ ಎಲ್ಲಿರುತ್ತೆ, ಡೆಸರ್ಟ್ಸ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿರುತ್ತೆ ಸೂರ್ಯ ಭಗವಾನ್. ಬಿಕಾಸ್ ಇಟ್ಸ್ ಅ ಸ್ಯಾಂಡ್ ಏರಿಯಾ and you can't walk in the desert with barefoot. ಸ್ಯಾಂಡ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ನಡೆಯೋದು ತುಂಬಾ ಕಷ್ಟ, ಬಂಡೆ ಮೇಲೆ ಕಡಿಯೋದು ಕಷ್ಟ, ನಿಮ್ಗೆ ಗೊತ್ತಿದೆ. ಅದಕ್ಕೋಸ್ಕರ ಶಂನಃ ತಪತು ಅನ್ನುವಾಗ he has to give you such a pleasant sunshine with which you are able to make your vyavaharas, you are able to go. That's why you have to submit your prayer for Surya Bhagavan. Aditya is the original source. Surya is the practical laboratory person. That's why there are Ashta Suryaha, Aruna Prashna of Taittariya Aranyaka, the first section will tell you Ashta Surya, Ashtau hi Suryaha. So who are the Suryas? Ashta Suryas also have been named. Surya andre Sudaya, that is he who gives you impulsion, he who makes you active, he who makes you up is called Surya Bhagavan. That's why in Aditya Hridayam, Valmiki Maharshi very politely says, Rasmivantam samudyantam devasura namaskrutam pujayasva vivasvantam bhaskaram bhuvaneswaram. Notiದ್ರಾ? So Surya is a Bhaskara, Surya is a Bhuvaneswara, 14 Bhuvanas are there in the world. He is the Lord of the 14 Bhuvanas. So that's why Bhuvaneswaram. But basically, what makes the Surya Bhagavan be important to us is Rasmivan. Rasmi andre Kantigalu. Kantikaranagalinda irtare. So there are bright lights. That's why when you send light, ray of light into our body, the inside the body is being photographed, called X-ray. So the scientist who discovered this X-ray machine and all that could not name it by anything. Simply, it's a question mark. Which ray is able to read through inner body? That's why. So Suryana ಬಗ್ಗೆ ಅಪಾರವಾದ literature ಇದೆ. And we have got Mahasauram also from Rigveda. There are 63 mantras of Mahasauram. There are already lectures on Surya Bhagavan given by Purushottam and also Raghava and also Prabhakar and also other people. And even that Bhatt also has given you on Aditya Hridayam. So there's plenitude of literature describing the Surya Bhagavan, but ultimately what you want Surya to be, Shanna Aditya, Shannaha Suryaha. But Surya ಏನು ಮಾಡ್ತಾನೆ? What does he do? Tapatu ಅಂದ್ರೆ he provides you sunshine. ఎండనిస్తాడు. ఎండ అంటే హెల్త్, చలి అంటే అది హెల్తే, but it is people have got cold, cough and all these complaints. But when sun is there, normally you are healthier. And again, next line tells you, Ahanisham Ratrihisham Bhavantu. Notiದ್ರಾ? Aha andre daytime, daylight, Mitra. And Ratri andre the night time. So Mitra Varuna. Mitra is the day god, Varuna is the night god. So Ratri Hagalu, Ahoratri ಅಂತಾರೆ. ಈ ಅಹೋರಾತ್ರಿಗಳು ಅಹಾ ಸೆಮ್ ಆಗಿರಬೇಕು ಅಂಡ್ ರಾತ್ರಿ ಸೆಮ್ ಆಗಿರಬೇಕು. ದೆನ್ ದಟ್ಸ್ ವೈ ಇಟ್ ಇಸ್ ಕಾಲ್ಡ್. ಸೊ ನಿಮ್ಮ ಮೊಬೈಲಲ್ಲಿ ಸಿಮ್ ಕಾರ್ಡ್ ಅಂತ, ಸಿಮ್ ಅಂಡ್ ಸೆಮ್ ಅಂತ. ಆ ಸಿಮ್ ಕಾರ್ಡ್ ಇಲ್ಲದೆ ಇದ್ರೆ ನಿಮ್ಮ ಮೊಬೈಲ್ ಈಸ್ ಓನ್ಲಿ ಥ್ರೋಯಬಲ್ ಒನ್. ಬಟ್ ಸಿಮ್ ಕಾರ್ಡ್ ಎನರ್ಜೆಟಿಕ್ ಆಕ್ಟಿವ್ ಆಗಿದ್ರೆ ಪ್ರಪಂಚ ಎಲ್ಲ ನಿಮ್ಮ ಕೈಯಲ್ಲಿರುತ್ತೆ. ಯಾರ್ಯಾರಿಗೆ ನಂಬರ್ ಇದೆಯೋ ಅವರೆಲ್ಲರೂ ಇರ್ತಾರೆ. ದಟ್ಸ್ ವೈ ಇಟ್ ಇಸ್ ಶಂ ರಾತ್ರಿ ಪ್ರತಿಧೀಯತಾಂ. ಸೊ ಅಹಾನಿ ಶಂ ಭವಂತು ರಾತ್ರಿ ಪ್ರತಿಧೀಯತಾಂ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಅರ್ಥ ಏನು? ಸೊ ರಾತ್ರಿ ಕಾಲದಲ್ಲಿ ನಿಮಗೆ ತುಂಬಾ ಒಳ್ಳೆಯದಾಗಿ ನಿದ್ದೆ ಬರಬೇಕು. ಯು ಶುಡ್ ಗೆಟ್ ಗುಡ್ ಸ್ಲೀಪ್ and happy restful time, because Ratri is called as Doshavaha, where you have got emergencies cropping up. Roganam Rakshasanam Kalaha Ratri. Rogaಗಳಿಗೆ ರಾಕ್ಷಸರಿಗೆ ಹೇ ಡೇ ಅದು. So they will be highly energetic and active. Therefore, it is said that Ratri Pratidhiyatam. If Pratidhihi, actually, Dhi Shabda is there. Dhiyatam pratidhiyatam is an important verb, a Vedic verb or Vedic kriya, where there is a lot of meaning implications in that. And ಧೀಯತಾಂ ಅನ್ನೋದು ಒಂದು, ಪ್ರತಿಧೀಯತಾಂ ಅನ್ನೋದು ಇನ್ನೊಂದು. ಅಂದ್ರೇನು, ನಮಗೆ ಆ ರಾತ್ರಿ ಕಾಲ ಸುಖಾಗವಾಗಿ ಬರಬೇಕು. Therefore, in Chamakadhyaya, you say, you request that Naktam Chame Yagnena Kalpantam. ಈ ರಾತ್ರಿಗೆ ಇನ್ನೊಂದು ಹೆಸರು ನಕ್ತಂ. ಸೊ ಆ ರಾತ್ರಿ ಹಗಲು ನಕ್ತ, that also should be very much comfortable. You should get good rest. There should be no much dreams, and dreams will perturb your sleep time also. So without swapna, you should get into the turiya avastantare, jagrat, swapna, turiya. And even turiya ಅನ್ನೋದು ಕೂಡ ಇನ್ನೂ ಡೀಪರ್ ಆಗಿರುತ್ತೆ. Our Vedantins talk about the turiya. So jagrat, swapna, sushuptinam ಸಾಕ್ಷಿಭೂತ್ಯೈ ನಮೋ ನಮಃ. ಅಮ್ಮವಾರು ಲಲಿತಾ ಪರಮೇಶ್ವರಿ, ದುರ್ಗಾ ಪರಮೇಶ್ವರಿ, she will be watching everybody, whatever status that the human or people or the creation is going through. Jagrat, Swapna, Sushuptinam Sakshi. She is a witness to all our activities while you are wakeful, while you are sleeping, while you are dreaming, and while you are sleeping too deep inside. ಅದರಿಂದ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ನೋಡಿದ್ರೆ ಪ್ರತಿಧೀಯತಾಂ. And after invoking the grace and power and help of these things, then we come to the Usha Sham Uchchatu. You know, Usha is the first one that appears on the horizon before sunrise. And Ushakala is called Pratakala. That is very, very powerful. Usha Muhurtam is very powerful. It will suppose it, so it will be there. And Usha Kaladalli now elbeku, we have to get up, do all that upasana to some extent. And because that is a Pratakala, early morning, you should get up. You should never get up after sun getting up. You should always get up before sunrise, sleep after sunset. That is the human health discipline. Therefore, here you are asking him, Usha, the Usha Devi, dawn and dusk, she has to be very much peaceful. Vyuchchatu. Vyuchchatu means to provide. So Usha Devi ನಮಗೆ ಶಾಂತಿಯನ್ನು, ಆರೋಗ್ಯವನ್ನು ಪ್ರೊವೈಡ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. ಆಮೇಲೆ ಶಮಾದಿತ್ಯ ಉದೇತುನಃ. So Surya tapatu, Aditya udetu. You must observe the verbs that have been employed by our rishis, are not employed, that have been revealed to our rishis. ಯಾವ ತರಹ ಕ್ರಿಯಾ ಶಬ್ದ ಅಪ್ರಾಪ್ರಿಯೇಟ್ ಆಗಿದೆ ಅಂತ ನೋಡ್ಕೋಬೇಕು. So thereby the interpretation of the Vedic mantras is a good challenge, because you have to take teachings and lessons from the Veda mantras depending upon the vocabulary that has been used in mantras. ಆ ಶಬ್ದ ಜಾಲ ಇದೆಯಲ್ಲ, ಆ ವರ್ಣಮಾಲ, ವರ್ಣಜಾಲ, ಅದನ್ನು ನೀವು ಗಮನಿಸ್ಬಿಟ್ರೆ you will be very much comfortable to derive the right knowledge. ಇದಕ್ಕೆಲ್ಲ ಮೂಲ ಕಾರಣ ಯಾರು ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಋಷಯ ಕ್ಷೀಣಕಲ್ಮಷಾಃ ಧೂತಕಲ್ಮಷಾಃ ಮುನಯಃ ಶಾಂತಾತ್ಮಾನಃ ಅಂತ ಏನೋ ಹೇಳ್ತಾರೆ. ಸೊ ಈ ಮುನಿಗಳು, ಋಷಿಗಳು, ಇವರೆಲ್ಲರೂ ಕೂಡ, ಆಲ್ ದೀಸ್ ಪೀಪಲ್ ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಕೆಪ್ಟ್ ಅಪ್ ದೇರ್ ಮೈಂಡ್ in a state of complacence and equilibrium. Mind equilibrium ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಇರಬೇಕು. That's why people call it an equipoised minded fellow ಅಂತಾರೆ. Psychological is talking equipoised mind. ಆ equipoised mindಗೆ who are the causers? Aditya and Surya, Vayu and Marut and Vata. Well, these are all the various divinities who are constantly watching the mankind or humankind and trying to help them to be comfortable as far as possible during their journey of life. Samaditya. And Aditya Udetu. The word Udetu means uprise. He has to rise up. That means when Aditya gets on, you have got different kinds of medical, curing, healing rays. Primarily, the sun's rays give you D vitamin. Most important. Very much important for the bones. ಈ ಬೋನ್ ಹೆಲ್ತ್ಗೆ ಇಂಪಾರ್ಟೆಂಟ್ ಆಗಿ ಡಿ ವಿಟಮಿನ್ ಬೇಕು, ಕ್ಯಾಲ್ಸಿಯಂ ಬೇಕು. ಲೈಕ್ ದಟ್ ಸೂರ್ಯ ಭಗವಾನ್ ಈಸ್ ಏಬಲ್ ಟು ರೈಸ್ ಅಪ್ ಇನ್ ಆರ್ಡರ್ ಟು ಪ್ರೊವೈಡ್ ಅಲ್ಟಿಮೇಟ್ಲಿ ಅಬ್ಸಲ್ಯೂಟ್ ಹೆಲ್ತ್ ಅಂಡ್ ಪ್ರಾಸ್ಪೆರಿಟಿ. ಅಂಡ್ ಉಷಾ ಏನು ಮಾಡಬೇಕು ಅಂದರೆ ಶಿ ಹ್ಯಾಸ್ ಟು ಅಪಿಯರ್ ಬಿಫೋರ್ ಹ್ಯಾಂಡ್ ಆಫ್ ಆದಿತ್ಯ ಅಂಡ್ ಮೇಕ್ ದಿ ಎಂಟೈರ್ ಅಟ್ಮಾಸ್ಫಿಯರ್ ಮೋರ್ ಅಂಡ್ ಮೋರ್ ಸರೈನ್, ಪಯಸ್, ಸೊ ದಟ್ ಅಹಕಾಲದಲ್ಲಿ ಅಥವಾ ಉಷಾ ಕಾಲದಲ್ಲಿ ನೀವೇನು ಜಪ, ಹೋಮ, ಸ್ನಾನ ಎಕ್ಸೆಟ್ರಾ ಇವೆಲ್ಲ ಮಾಡಿದರೆ ದಿ ಅಡ್ವಾಂಟೇಜಸ್ ಆರ್ ಬೆನಿಫಿಟ್ಸ್ ಆರ್ quite different. Therefore, all yogis do their yoga practices only during the Ushakala. They get up early. So, yoga masritya tishtanti, yoginaha. And the yogins are really great, because in Atharva Sirsha Upanishad, Ganapati Jayanti yoginaha. So, yoginaha dhyayanti, which means that your mind will be so pleasant, you can enter into the portals of dhyana yoga. That is trying to monitor your mind in a channel. If your mind is regulated, controlled, your swasa is controlled, that is pranayama, then everything will be sham, sham and sham. I hope you understand. So, ratrihi pratidhiyatam adityaha naha udetu. You understand? Naha sham prayachatu, naha udetu. Why should sun come up? He is coming out because he is committed to be apparent on the horizon. It's a rutu. It's a fear in him. So, Taittiriya Upanishad ಏನು ಹೇಳುತ್ತಪ್ಪ ಶಿವಲಿಂಗಯವರೇ? ಭೀಷಾಸ್ಮಾತ್ ವಾತ ಪವತೆ ಭೀಷೋದೇತಿ ಸೂರ್ಯ. So, Bhisha is the fear. Fear for what? Not to you and to me, but fear that they may swerve from the cosmic law. Or the Ruta. Rutam cha satyam cha abhidha tapasotyajayata. ಈ ತಪಸ್ಸಿ ಸೂರ್ಯ ಭಗವಾನ್. ಸೊ ಸೂರ್ಯ ಭಗವಾನನಿಂದಲೇ ಈ ಋತಂ, ಸತ್ಯಂ, ಧರ್ಮಂ, all these concepts and practices have come up. Therefore, we say this, Samushano vyuchyatu samaditya udetunah. ಅಷ್ಟರಲ್ಲಿ ಸ್ಟಾಪ್ ಆಗಿಲ್ಲ. ವಿ ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಗಾಟ್ ಸಮ್ ಮೋರ್. ಶಿವಾನಃ ಶಂತಮಾ ಭವ ಸುಮೃಢೀಕಾ ಸರಸ್ವತಿ. ಅಂಡ್ ಮೋಸ್ಟ್ ಇಂಪಾರ್ಟೆಂಟ್ ಈಸ್ we have got the Saraswati and Ratri Devatas. They are the female deities. So, the Ratri Devata, her purpose and her work is different. But Saraswati work is more. So, Saraswati is flow. Sara means to move, crawl. So crawling is able to, when you crawl, you reach better places quickly and with no problem. If you stand perpendicular and want to reach people, that's a different experience. Therefore, the best powerful way of doing it, crawling. Crawling also to be practiced well in case of need. For example, all the soldiers have been given the training, physical training, that they should be able to crawl. They can't stand and shoot. They crawl and reach distances and then shoot the enemy. You must have seen that. Adrinda, illi crawling is there, and Saraswati is one who is able to make movements in many forms, that is crawling, walking, jumping, etc. You have got Uddayana, Nayana, Gamana, Uddayana, and other the Sarpana, Sarpati, etc. All these things are the modes through which Saraswati comes to you. That's why Pavakanaha Saraswati. And you got to you always make a prayer. Naha Parvaka Saraswati. Ammavaru, Vani Devi, she is the power. Now, Shiva, Shantama Bhava. Naha. Shiva, ultimately, all the some. So, Shantama andre, Shantama is super degree. Now, what kind of Shanti we want? We want the maximum Shanti. Permanent Shanti. A Shanti which you are able to sustain for a longer time. It is not temporary. For example, if you take a painkiller, in 24 hours you become all right. Again, the same pain recurs. No, that is not. But you should take something that would erase or eradicate the pain at all. So doctors sometimes prescribe antibiotic so that the pain will stop, disappear. ಅದರಿಂದ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಶಿವಾಹ ಶಂ ನಹ ಶಂತಮಾಭವ, whatever is connected to the peacemaking, all that peacemaking substances must be peaceful for us. That's why ಶಿವಲಿಂಗಯ್ಯ ಏನು ಹೇಳ್ತೀವಿ ಶಾಂತಿ ಮಂತ್ರದಲ್ಲಿ, ಓಂ ಪೃಥಿವೀ ಶಾಂತಿ ಅಂತರಿಕ್ಷಂ ಶಾಂತಿ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿ ಕೊನೆಗೆ ಏನು ಹೇಳ್ತೀವಿ, ಶಾಂತಿರೇವ ಶಾಂತಿ ತಯಾ ಶಾಂತ್ಯ ಪ್ರಶಮಗುಂ ಶಮಯತು. ದಟ್ ಈಸ್ ವಾಟ್ ಅವರ್ ಋಷೀಸ್ ಕಲ್ಚರ್. ನಮ್ಮ ಋಷಿಗಳ ಸಂಪ್ರದಾಯ ಏನು ಅಂದರೆ, ಯಾವುದನ್ನು ನಾವು ಬಯಸ್ತಾ ಇರ್ತೀವೋ ಅದೇ ಶಾಂತವಾಗಿರ್ಬೇಕಲ್ಲಪ್ಪ ಭೈರಪ್ಪನವರೇ. ಅದು ಶಾಂತ ಇಲ್ಲದೆ ಇದೆ, ಹೌ ಕ್ಯಾನ್ ವಿ ಎಂಜಾಯ್ ಇಟ್? You want to drink coffee, but coffee must be pleasant of a required temperature. Then you really enjoy the sips. Hange illi Shivaha ye santi, whatever that which will give you happiness, they should continue to be happier for you long time. And secondly, Saraswati engilbeku andre sumrudika, mruda andre daya, ಕೃಪೆ, ಕೃಪಾಪೂರಿತವಾಗಿರಬೇಕು. ಕೃಪಾ ಸಮುದ್ರ, ಅದರಲ್ಲಿ ಕೂಡ ಸುಮೃಡೀಕ ಮೀನ್ಸ್ ಸುಖಂ ಮೃಡ. ದಿ ಕಂಪ್ಯಾಷನ್ ದಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಬೀಯಿಂಗ್ ಎಕ್ಸ್ಟೆಂಡೆಡ್ ಟು ಅಸ್ ಮಸ್ಟ್ ಬಿ ಕಂಫರ್ಟಬಲ್ ಟು ಅಸ್, ಅಂಡ್ ದಟ್ ಶುಡ್ ಬಿ ರಿಯಲಿ ರಿವಾರ್ಡಿಂಗ್. ಒಂದು ಗ್ರ್ಯಾಂಡ್ ಎಕ್ಸಾಂಪಲ್ ಹೇಳೋಣ. ಟು ಎ ಬೆಗ್ಗರ್ ವುಮನ್, ನಿಮ್ಗೆ ತುಂಬಾ ಕರುಣದಿಂದ, ಇಫ್ ಯು ವರ್ ಟು ಗಿವ್ ಎ ರೇಷ್ಮೆ ಸ್ಯಾರಿ, do you think that beggar woman is safe there? Police will catch and take, you had stolen this ಅಂತ ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ ಇದೆ. there is a fear. ಹೌದಾ? ಈ ಭಿಕ್ಷುಕ ಆ ಲೇಡಿಗೆ ನೀವು ಏನು ಕೊಡಬೇಕು, ದಯ ತೋರಿಸ್ಬೇಕು, ನೋ ಡೌಟ್, ಬಟ್ ದ ದಯ ಶುಡ್ ನಾಟ್ ಬಿ ಡೆಟ್ರಿಮೆಂಟಲ್ ಫಾರ್ ಹರ್. ದಟ್ಸ್ ವೈ ಸೊ ಸುಮೃಡೀಕಾ ಸರಸ್ವತಿ, ನಮ್ಮಲ್ಲಿರೋ ಸರಸ್ವತಿ ನಮಗೆ ಉದ್ಧಾರ ಮಾಡೋದಕ್ಕೆ ಅವಕಾಶ ಮಾಡಿಕೊಡ್ಬೇಕು. ಅಂಡ್ ಈ ತಾಯಿ ಯಾರು ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಮಾತೇ ವ್ಯೋಮ ಸಂದೃಶಿ. ಅಮ್ಮವಾರು ಸರಸ್ವತಿ ಇಸ್ ಅ ಮಾತಾ, ಇಸ್ ಮದರ್. ಸೊ ಶ್ರೀ ಮಾತಾ, ಈ ತಾಯಿಯ ಕರುಣ, ತಾಯಿಯ ದಯ, can you measure it? You can't measure the compassion of a mother to you. Right from the time that the baby is delivered up to the baby, it will become independent. The mother chases the baby, nourishes the baby, nurtures the baby, protects the baby, etc. Is it not? And moreover, we know the human baby is the most delicate and dependent baby of the babies in the world born. So the human baby needs absolutely support and help until it develops the kai kalu movements. Kai kalu ಬಂದು ಮೊಬಿಲಿಟಿ ಬಂದು ಸ್ಟೆಬಿಲಿಟಿ ಬಂದು ಅದೆಲ್ಲ ಅಷ್ಟು ತನಕ till then up to 2 years the mother has to give lot of attention to that nursing. ಅದಕ್ಕೋಸ್ಕರ so the karuna of tayi, even at the 90 years old or 70 years old she may be, but if her son or daughter if reaches the highest distinction, how happy it is. Grand example ನಿಮ್ಗೆಲ್ಲ ಗೊತ್ತಿರಬೇಕು, ಸಂಜೀವ ರೆಡ್ಡಿ. He became at the swearing ceremony of himself as the president of the country, first citizen of the country. His mother, who was 90 years old, was there. She just kissed him at his crest and blessed him. So ಈ ತರಹ ತಾಯಿಗೆ ಎಷ್ಟೊಂದು ಕರುಣ. ದಟ್ಸ್ ವೈ ವ್ಯೋಮ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಆಕಾಶ. ಗಗನಂ ಗಗನಾಕಾರಂ. Can you have a measure scaling for the akasha? Impossible. So the karuna is apara. Therefore, mate sandru vyoma sandrusi mruda mrudika sumrudika tvam. You are so compassionate, as immeasurably compassionate, as much as that. ಅಂತ ನಾವು ಈ ದೇವತೆಗಳು ಯಾರು? ವಾತ, ಮಾತರಿಸ್ವ, ಸೂರ್ಯ, ಆದಿತ್ಯ, then Usha, then Aditya, then Shivaha and Saraswati, and the female deities are taken as the motherly. Therefore, Durga Mata. So we say Durga Mata, Parvati Mata, etc. Jai. ಇಷ್ಟನಕ ಆಯ್ತು. ನಾವು ಭೈರಪ್ಪ ಇಡಾ ಯೈವ ಹೇಳಿ ಓದು ಬಿಡಪ್ಪ ಯಾರೊಬ್ಬರು.
ಹೇಳ್ತೀನಿ. ಶಿವಾ ನಶ್ಯಂತು ಮಾಮವಾಸಂ ರೂಢೀಕಾ ಸರಸ್ವತಿ ಮಾತೆ ವ್ಯೋಮ ಸಂದೃಶಿ.
ಸ್ವರ ನೋಡ್ಬೇಕಪ್ಪ, ಸ್ವರ ನೋಡಿ. ಮಾತೆ ವ್ಯೋಮ ಸಂದೃಶಿ. ಮಾತೆ
ವ್ಯೋಮ ಸಂದೃಶಿ ಇಡಾಯೈ ವಾಸ್ತ್ವಸ್ವಿ ವಾಸ್ತು ವಾಸ್ತು ಮಧ್ವಾಸ್ತುವಂತೋ ಭೂಯಾಸ್ಮ ವಾಸ್ತೋಶ್ಚಿಸ್ಮಹ್ಯ ವಾಸ್ತು ಸ್ವಭೂಯಾದ್ಯೋ ಸ್ವಾನ್ವೇಷ್ಟಿಯಂ ನ ವಯಂ ದ್ವಿಷ್ಮಃ ಪ್ರತಿಷ್ಠಾಸಿ. ಆಮೇಲೆ another set ಬರುತ್ತೆ. You see, there is a classification or the gradation of things that you are going to want in the Shanti mantras. Shanti mantra ಅನ್ನೋದು stage by stage and God by God and want by want is running like that. So ಇಲ್ಲಿ ನೋಡಿದ್ರ ಮಾತೆ ವ್ಯೋಮ ಸಂದೃಶಿ ಸರಸ್ವತಿ, ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಇಡಾದೇವಿ, ಇಡಾಯೈವಾ ಸ್ವಸ್ತಿ, and again ವಾಸ್ತು ಮಧ್ವಾಸ್ತು ಮಂತೋ ಭೂಯಾಸ್ಮಾ ಮಾ ವಾಸ್ತೋಶ್ಚಿತೋಸ್ಮಿ ಅಹಿ ಅವಾ ಸುಪ್ತ ಭೂಯಾತ್ ಯೋಸ್ಮಾನ್ ದ್ವೇಷ್ಟಿ ಯಂ ಚ ವಯಂ ವಿಷ್ಮಃ. ನಿಮಗೆ ಶಾಂತಿ ಬರಬೇಕು ಅಂದರೆ ಹೆಂಗೆ ಬರುತ್ತೆ ಶಾಂತಿ? ನಿಮ್ಮ ಶತ್ರುಗಳು ನಿಮ್ಮನ್ನು ಟ್ರಬಲ್ ಮಾಡಬಾರ್ದು ಅಲ್ಲಪ್ಪ. So you must want people to cooperate, coordinate and support your happiness. But there are large number of people who will not do that. If you get a new appointment, 100 people will object and there will one fellow to go to court to challenge your appointment by the government. Howda? So there are people who try to offend you and go negative to you. But you are making prayer to all these people, ಏನಂತ? ಯೋ ಅಸ್ಮಾನ್ ವೇಷ್ಟಿ ಯಂ ಚ ವಯಂ ವಿಷ್ಮಃ. ಸೊ ಅವ್ರು ಏನು ಮಾಡಬೇಕು? ಸುಪ್ತಃ ಸುಪ್ತ ದೇ ಮಸ್ಟ್ ಬಿ ಸೈಲೆಂಟ್. ದೇ ಶುಡ್ ನಾಟ್ ಕಮ್ ಅಂಡ್ ಟ್ರಬಲ್ ಯು. ಸುಪ್ತಃ ಭೂಯಾತ್ ಅಂದರೆ ದೇ ಶುಡ್ ಬಿಕಮ್ ಸೈಲೆಂಟ್ ಅಂಡ್ ದೇ ಶುಡ್ ನಾಟ್ ಗಿವ್ ಯು ಎನಿ ಕೈಂಡ್ ಆಫ್ ಟ್ರಬಲ್. ನೀವು ಪೂಜಾ ಮಾಡುವಾಗ ಡಿಸ್ಟರ್ಬೆನ್ಸಸ್ ಬಂದರೆ ಯು ಆರ್ ಅನ್ಹ್ಯಾಪಿ, ಯು ಕಾಂಟ್ ಪ್ರೊಸೀಡ್, ಯು ಕಾಂಟ್ ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಕಾನ್ಸಂಟ್ರೇಷನ್. ದೇರ್ಫೋರ್ when once you decide to do some
noble work, a concentrated job, you should see that there is no much disturbance. The Mammagalu, when she was a small baby, she put a board to her door. I am queen of destiny, don't disturb Anta. Chikkamagu. So I was just wondering, queen of destiny and don't disturb. Hange illi kuda ಏನು ಹೇಳ್ತೀವಿ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ವಾಟ್ ಎವರ್ ದ್ವಿಷ್ಮಃ whom you hate, ಯಂ ಚ ವಯಂ ದ್ವೇಷ್ಟಿ, ಯಾರು ನಮ್ಮನ್ನು ದ್ವೇಷ ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೋ, those people whom you hate, both are troubles for you. ನೀವು ಇನ್ನೊಬ್ಬರು ಹೇಟ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರು, ಇನ್ನೊಬ್ಬರು ನಿಮ್ಮನ್ನು ಹೇಟ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರು, ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ ಕ್ರಾಪ್ಸ್ ಅಪ್. ಇಸ್ ಇಟ್ ನಾಟ್? ದೇರ್ ಫೋರ್ ಇಲ್ಲೇನು ಹೇಳ್ತವೆ, ಇಡಾದೇವಿಗೆ ನಮಸ್ಕಾರ. ವಾ ಇಡಾಯೈವ ಸ್ವಸ್ತಿ ವಾ ಅಸ್ತು. ಸೊ ಇಡಾದೇವಿ ಈಸ್ ಅಗೇನ್ ಅನದರ್ ಫಾರ್ಮ್ ಆಫ್ ಸರಸ್ವತಿ. ಸೊ ಈ ಇಡಾದೇವಿಗೆ ಸ್ವಸ್ತಿ ನಮಸ್ಕಾರ. ಅಂಡ್ ವಾಸ್ತು ಮಂತೋ ಭೂಯಾ ಸ್ಮಾ. ನಾವು we should always be those who will be praising them very much. Stumantaha. Stumantaha means appraising them or praising them. And ma vastoschit hi ava susapta bhuyat. So namge ಯಾವ ರೀತಿಯಾಗಿರುವ trouble, no kind of trouble from any direction should come and disturb our concentration and focus on our deeds and activities. So this is exactly a prayer, Shanti prayer, to the Ida Devi, extending, and also the Vastu, and also trying to silence the enemies whom you hate, the enemies who hate you. Thereby you are getting a good, beautiful thing. Now Rukundaya, now Sivalingaya avare heli, pratisthasi pratisthavanto heli.
प्रतिष्ठासि प्रतिष्ठावन्त भूयास्मम प्रतिष्ठायाश्चित्स्य य प्रतिष्ठस् भूयाद्योऽस्मान् द्वेष्टियं च वयं द्विष्मा.
This is a continuation and of the previous mantra, because you should also imagine or attribute energy and strength and power and capability of the deities that you are praising, that they are capable of quelling down your enemies. Therefore, here you see, Pratisthasi, O Paramatma, O Ida Devi, O all the divinities, you are all established deities. Established means highly powerful. So you are all powerful there. Pratisthasi. And now what should we become like? Pratishthavantaha bhuyasma. Pratishtha andre kirti. When once you are there upon this land, it is not simply umahe, uta madadu malgodu hogodalla. You have got plus. That plus is called kirti. So Yashokaminaha anta. Now you should take to kirti. Therefore, pratishtha, kirtige pratishtha antare. That pratishtha is equal to saying that your existence must be registered and recorded and remembered. Then only your birth is rewarding. That's what Bhartrihari says. Sajato yena jatena yati vamsaha samunnatim. So by the birth of a baby, there will be enhancement of the kirti of the house, the parents, nation, the township. Then only the baby's worth is heralded very much. Sajato yena jatena jati vamsaha samunnatim. ಯಾವ ವಂಶದಲ್ಲಿ ಹುಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾನೋ ಆ ವಂಶದ ಕೀರ್ತಿ ಇನ್ನಷ್ಟು ಹೆಚ್ಚಾಗಬೇಕು. ಸೊ ಪ್ರತಿಷ್ಠಾವಂತೋ ಭೂಯಾಸ್ಮ ಮಾ ಪ್ರತಿಷ್ಠಾಯಾಚಿತು ಅಸ್ಮಿ. ನನಗೆ ಅಪ್ರತಿಷ್ಠ ಮಾತ್ರ ಯಾವಾಗಲೂ ಬರಬೇಡ. ಐ ಡೋಂಟ್ ವಾಂಟ್ ನೆಗೆಟಿವಿಟಿ ಟು ಓವರ್ ಪವರ್ ಮೈ ಜರ್ನಿ ಆಫ್ ಲೈಫ್. ನಾನು ಮಾಡುವಾಗ ನನಗೆ ಈ ವ್ಯತಿರೇಕವಾಗಿರೋದು ಬೇಡ. ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಅಪ್ರತಿಷ್ಠ ಬೇಡ. ಬಟ್ ಈ ಅಪ್ರತಿಷ್ಠವನ್ನು ಆಮೇಲೆ ಅಪ್ರತಿಷ್ಠವನ್ನು ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಈ ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ಸ್ನೆಲ್ಲ ರಿಮೂವ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. ಸೊ ಈ ಪರಮಾತ್ಮ ಮಸ್ಟ್ ಬಿ ಸಚ್ ಎ ವೇ ಟು ಅಸ್ ಬ್ಲೆಸ್ಸಿಂಗ್ that he must be able to help us to have no enemies. ಅಜಾತ ಶತ್ರು ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತಾರಲ್ವಾ, ನಿಮಗೆ ಶತ್ರುಗಳು ಇಲ್ಲದೆ ಮಾಡ್ಕೋಬೇಕು ಅಂದರೆ ಯುವರ್ ಬಿಹೇವಿಯರ್ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಯುವರ್ ಆಲ್ ದ್ಯಾಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಇಂಪಾರ್ಟೆಂಟ್. ದಟ್ಸ್ ವಾಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಅ ಪ್ರತಿಷ್ಠಾ. ಆ್ಯಕ್ಚುಲಿ ಪ್ರತಿಷ್ಠಾ ಕಲ್ಪ ಅನ್ನೋದು ಒಂದು ದೊಡ್ಡ ಇಶ್ಯೂ, ದೊಡ್ಡ ರೈಟ್. ಕಲ್ಪ ಅಂದರೆ ಸಿ ಯು ಗಾಟ್ ಫಾರ್ಮುಲಾಸ್. ಬೀದಿಯಲ್ಲಿ ಬಿದ್ದಿರುವ ರಾತಿ ವಿಗ್ರಹ, ಕಲ್ಲಿನ ವಿಗ್ರಹ ಆಫ್ ಎನಿ ಡೇಟಿ ಈಸ್ ಬೀನ್ ಇನ್ಸ್ಟಾಲ್ಡ್ ಇನ್ಸೈಡ್ ಎ ಗರ್ಭಗುಡಿ ವಿತ್ ಆಲ್ ಸೆರೆಮನೀಸ್. ಪ್ರತಿಷ್ಠಾ ಕಲ್ಪ ಮಾಡಿದರೆ ದೆನ್ ನಾವೆಲ್ಲ ಹೋಗಿ ಪೂಜೆ ಮಾಡಿ, ಅಭಿಷೇಕ ಮಾಡಿ, ನೈವೇದ್ಯ ಮಾಡಿ, ಮಂಗಳಾರತಿ ಮಾಡಿ ನಮ್ಮ ಕೋರಿಕೆಗಳೆಲ್ಲ ಸಬ್ಮಿಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ. ಅದೇ ವಿಗ್ರಹ ಬೀದಿಯಲ್ಲಿ ಬಿದ್ದಿದ್ರೆ ಡೂ ಪೇ ಅಟೆನ್ಷನ್ ಟು ದ್ಯಾಟ್? ನೋಡ್ಬೋದು ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿದೆ ಅಂತ. ಅದಕ್ಕೋಸ್ಕರ ಈ ಪ್ರತಿಷ್ಠಾ ಈಸ್ ಎ ಮೋಸ್ಟ್ ಇಂಪಾರ್ಟೆಂಟ್ ಕಲ್ಪ, ವೇರ್ ವಿತ್ ಯು ಆರ್ ಇನ್ಸ್ಟಾಲಿಂಗ್ ಎನರ್ಜಿ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಪವರ್ ಟು ದಿ ಪರ್ಸನ್ ಇನ್ಸ್ಟಾಲ್ಡ್.
ಗುರುಗಳೇ, ಇದು ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಬಿಡಿಸಿ ಹೇಳ್ಕೊಡಿ, ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಮಾರ್ಕ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಂತೀವಿ. ಲಾಂಗ್ ಇದೆ ಇದು. ಪ್ರತಿಷ್ಠಾಯ ಚಿತ್ಯ.
ಹೇಳ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೀನಿ ನೋಡ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ. ಭೂಯಾಸ್ಮ ಮಾ ಪ್ರತಿಷ್ಠಾಯಾಃ ಚಿತ್ ಸ್ಮಿ ಹಿ ಅಪ್ರತಿಷ್ಠ. ಹಿ ಅಂದರೆ ಇಂಡೀಡ್, ಅಪ್ರತಿಷ್ಠ ಅಂದ್ರೇನು? ನನ್ನನ್ನು ದೋಸ್ ಪೀಪಲ್ ಹೂ ಕಮ್ ಟು ಹೇಟ್ ಮೀ, they must not come to us, they must become, they die. Apratishta means not thriving happily, they should be sufferers. Again you see bhuyasma ಒಂದು, ಮಾ ಪ್ರತಿಷ್ಠಾಯಾಃ ಚಿತ್ ಸ್ಮಿ ಹಿ ಅಪ್ರತಿಷ್ಠ ಸ ಭೂಯಾತ್. ಯಾರವರು ಅಂದರೆ ಯಹ ಅಸ್ಮಾನ್ ದ್ವೇಷ್ಟಿ, ಹೂ ಹೇಟ್ ಅಸ್, and yam cha vayam dishmah, those whom we hate. ಸೊ ಈ ರೀತಿಯಾಗಿ ಇರೋದು ಅವ್ರಿಗೆಲ್ಲ ಅಪ್ರತಿಷ್ಠ ಬರಲಿ ಅಂತ ನೀವು ಪ್ರಾರ್ಥನೆ ಮಾಡ್ತೀರಿ. ಅಪ್ರತಿಷ್ಠ ಅಂದರೆ ಅರ್ಥ ಏನು? ದೇ ಶುಡ್ ಇಮಿಡಿಯೇಟ್ಲಿ ಗೆಟ್ ಅವೇ ಫ್ರಮ್ ಯು ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ದೇ ಶುಡ್ ನಾಟ್ ಕಮ್ ಅಂಡ್ ಟ್ರಬಲ್ ಯು. ಸೊ ಅಪ್ರತಿಷ್ಠ, ಪ್ರತಿಷ್ಠ. ನಿಮಗೆ ಪ್ರತಿಷ್ಠಾ ಬೇಕು, ಶಾಂತಿ ಬೇಕು, ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಎನಿಮೀಸ್ಗೆ ಅಪ್ರತಿಷ್ಠ ಬೇಕು ಅಂತ ಅಂದ್ರೇನು? ಅಪ್ರತಿಷ್ಠ ಡಸ್ ನಾಟ್ ಮೀನ್ ಡೆತ್. ಇವಾಗ ನೋಡಿದ್ರೆ ಮನುಷ್ಯತ್ತಲ್ಲಿ ಏನು ಬರುತ್ತೆ? ರುಜನ್ ಮೃಣನ್ ಪ್ರಮೃಣನ್ ಪ್ರೇಹಿ ಶತ್ರುನ್ನೋ. ಜ್ಞಾಪಕ ಬರ್ತಾ ಇದೆಯಾ ಭೈರಪ್ಪನವರೇ? ಮನ್ಯು ಸೂಕ್ತ ಕಲ್ತಿದ್ದೀರಾ? ಮನ್ಯು ಸೂಕ್ತಲ್ಲಿ ಆ ಮನ್ಯು ದೇವತೆಗೆ ನಾವು ಪ್ರಾರ್ಥನೆ ಮಾಡೋದು ಏನಂದ್ರೆ, ನೀನು ಸಾಯಿಸು ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಲ್ಲ, ಅವ್ರಿಗೆ ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ತೊಂದರೆ ಕೊಡು, ಮತ್ತೆ ನಮ್ಮ ಕಡೆ ಬರೋಲ್ಲ ಅವರು, ಅಲ್ವಾ?
ಹೌದೌದು.
ಸೊ ಯು ಶುಡ್ ಶೋ ಸಮ್ ಥ್ರೆಟ್ ಆರ್ ಫಿಯರ್, ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಲುಕಿಂಗ್ ಅಟ್ ದಿ ಥ್ರೆಟ್ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಫಿಯರ್ ದೇ ಸ್ಟಾಪ್ ಡಿಸ್ಟರ್ಬಿಂಗ್ ಯು. ಅದಕ್ಕೋಸ್ಕರವೇ ಪಕ್ಕದ ಮನೆಯವರು ನಮ್ಮ ಮನೆಯಲ್ಲಿ ಗಿಡ ಹಾಕ್ತೆ ಕಾಂಪೌಂಡ್ ವಾಲ್ ಹಾಕ್ತೀವಿ. ಇಂಡಿಯಾದಲ್ಲಿ ಕಾಂಪೌಂಡ್ ವಾಲ್ ಅಭ್ಯಾಸ ಇದೆ. ಮನೆಗೆ ಕಾಂಪೌಂಡ್ ವಾಲ್ ಇಸ್ ಇಂಪಾರ್ಟೆಂಟ್, ಹೌದಾ? ಸೊ ಆ ರೀತಿಯಾಗಿ ಪೀಪಲ್ ಹೂ ಆರ್ ನಾಟ್ ಫ್ರೆಂಡ್ಲಿ ವಿತ್ ಅಸ್ ಮಸ್ಟ್ ನಾಟ್ ಬಿ ಏಬಲ್ ಟು ಎನ್ಕ್ರೋಚ್, ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ದೇ ಮೇ ಲಿವ್ ಹ್ಯಾಪಿಲಿ ಇನ್ ದೇರ್ ಓನ್ ವೇ, ಬಟ್ ನಾಟ್ ಇಂಟರ್ಫಿಯರ್ ಇನ್ ಟು ಯುವರ್ ಹ್ಯಾಪಿನೆಸ್. ಯೋಸ್ಮಾನ್ ದ್ವೇಷ್ಟಿ ಯಂ ಚ ವಯಂ ದ್ವೇಷ್ಮಃ. ಸೊ ಇವಾಗ ಏನಾಗಿದೆ, ದೇರ್ ಆರ್ 2 mantras, I mean 2 lines which are connected to the shanti that you want to have,
And Shanti can be ensured to you only when your enemies of two kinds are being silenced. So that is the prayer. So Shanti ಬರಬೇಕು ಅಂದ್ರೆ what is the source to beget Shanti is a good question, is it not? So ನಿಮಗೆ ಶಾಂತಿ ಬರಬೇಕು ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಈ ತರಹ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. So beautiful it is. We continue next tomorrow, the other one. So today we have made a prayer to Vata Devatas, Vata, Matarisva, Surya, and Hagalu Ratri, ಅವರು ದೇವತೆಗಳೇ. Tanno Ratri Pratidhiyatam, because Ratri is the Devata, mother to Surya Bhagavan. Ratrer Vatsaha, Sveta Adityaha, Tamro Arunaha, Aruna Prasna Bharat. So that's why the Surya is the child of the Ratri Devata. Very important. So hange ಆಮೇಲೆ Usha, Aditya, and these are all the various divinities whom we have praised. Then Saraswati Sumrudika, Ida Devi to give you Swasti, and ultimately you have got to remove from the enemies disturbing you, and they will become Apratishtaha, you become Apratishta. ಸೊ ನಿಮಗೆ ಪ್ರತಿಷ್ಠಾ, ಅವರಿಗೆ ಅಪ್ರತಿಷ್ಠಾ, ಈ ತರಹ ನಾವು ಪ್ರಾರ್ಥನೆ ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ. ಅಪ್ರತಿಷ್ಠಾ ಬರಲಿ ಅಂದರೆ, ಸೊ ವೇದ ಮಂತ್ರಗಳಲ್ಲಿ ಶಂಸ ಅಂಡ್ ಶಾಪ ಬೋತ್ ವಿಲ್ ಬಿ ದೇರ್. ಡೋಂಟ್ ಥಿಂಕ್ ದಟ್ ಆಲ್ ಮಂತ್ರಾಸ್ ಆರ್ ಪ್ರೈಸಸ್. ದೇರ್ ಆರ್ ಶಾಪ ಆಲ್ಸೋ ದೇರ್. ಸೊ ಶಂಸ ಅಂಡ್ ಶಾಪ is the variety in that. So here we have got to give shapa for the enemies and shamsa for our country prosperity. Om Swasti.
ಓಂ ಕೃಷ್ಣಾಯ ವಾಸುದೇವಾಯ ಹರಿಯೇ ಪರಮಾತ್ಮನೆ ಪ್ರಣತ ಕ್ಲೇಶನಾಶಾಯ ಗೋವಿಂದಾಯ ನಮೋ ನಮಃ. ಕೃಷ್ಣಾಯ ಯಾದವೇಂದ್ರಾಯ ಜ್ಞಾನಮುದ್ರಾಯ ಯೋಗಿನೇ ನಾಥಾಯ ರುಕ್ಮಿಣೀಶಾಯ ನಮೋ ವೇದಾಂತ ವೇದಿನೇ. ಕೃಷ್ಣಾಯ ವಾಸುದೇವಾಯ ದೇವಕೀ ನಂದನಾಯ ಚ ನಂದಗೋಪಕುಮಾರಾಯ ಗೋವಿಂದಾಯ ನಮೋ ನಮಃ. ವಸುದೇವಸುತಂ ದೇವಂ ಕಂಸಚಾಣೂರಮರ್ಧನಂ ದೇವಕೀ ಪರಮಾನಂದಂ ಕೃಷ್ಣನ್ ವಂದೇ ಜಗದ್ಗುರುಂ. ಓಂ ಶಾಂತಿ ಶಾಂತಿ ಶಾಂತಿ.
पर्यन्तं गुरूणाम् आकृतिं स्मरेत् तेन विघ्नाः प्रणश्यन्ति सिद्ध्यन्ति च मनोरथाः. यदक्षरं पदभ्रष्टं मात्राहीनं तु यद्भवेत् तत्सर्वं क्षम्यतां देवा नारायण नमोऽस्तुते. विसर्गबिन्दु मात्राणि पदापादाक्षराणि च न्यूनातिचातिरिक्तानि क्षमस्व पुरुषोत्तम. आभिर्गीर्भिर्यदतो नमूनमाप्यायय हरिवो वर्धमानः. यदा स्तोतृभ्यो महि गोत्रा रुजासि भूयिष्ठभाजो अधते स्याम. ब्रह्म प्रावादिष्म तन्नो माहासीत्. ॐ शान्ति शान्ति शान्तिः. ॐ सहनाववतु सहनौ भुनक्तु सह वीर्यङ्करवावहै तेजस्विनावधीतमस्तु मा विद्विषावहै. ॐ शान्ति शान्ति शान्तिः. सर्वे भवन्तु सुखिनः सर्वे सन्तु निरामया ಸರ್ವೇ ಭದ್ರಾಣಿ ಪಶ್ಯಂತು ಮಾ ಕಶ್ಚಿತ್ ದುಃಖ ಭಾಗ್ ಭವೆ. ಓಂ ಶಾಂತಿ ಶಾಂತಿ ಶಾಂತಿ. ಹರಿ ಓಂ ತತ್ಸತ್. ಸರ್ವಂ ಶ್ರೀಕೃಷ್ಣಾರ್ಪಣಮಸ್ತು. ಶ್ರೀ ವಾಸುದೇವಾರ್ಪಣಮಸ್ತು. ಶ್ರೀ ವೇದ ಪುರುಷ ಆಶೀರ್ವಾದೋ ಅಸ್ತು. ಓಂ ತತ್ಸತ್. ಹರಿ ಓಂ ಗುರುಗಳೇ.
ವೆರಿ ಗುಡ್.
ನಮಸ್ತೆ ಗುರು. ನಮಸ್ತೆ.
ಏನು ಸಮಾಚಾರ, ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿದ್ದೀರಾ ಎಲ್ಲರೂ? ಓಕೆ.